How to add video in WordPress website. So first, go to your WordPress homepage. Next is just click on the pages here at the left side. Then look for the page on your website that you want to add a video to. For example, I want to add a video to my about page. So just click on the three dots here. Then just click on edit. Okay, now your page will show up here. Okay, now just click on the plus icon here at the left side corner. Then just click on media, and then click on open media library. Then just click on videos. Then as you can see, for me, I can't actually upload my videos here since I don't have a premium plan. So for you to upload videos on your WordPress website, you just need to upgrade to the premium plan, and then after that you can see and upload the media here, upload videos here. Just click on the button here, and then upload your videos. Then after uploading your videos, just click on the video, and then just click on insert. Then it will insert your video here. After inserting the video, just click on save, and you're done. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.